In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your cover display using the Galaxy Z Flip5. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you picked up the Galaxy Z Flip5, and the reason why you picked it up is probably because of the cover display. Right now, straight out the box, you can do some things on the cover display, but you cannot get all of the apps on there. And there's a way you can do it. Normally, I don't usually use Good Lock. You can download Good Lock, which is a Samsung app which allows you to change your Samsung phone, and what it does is gives you the ability to really customize your phone. And with the Good Lock app, you can actually get a widget on here that will let you use all of your apps on the cover display. So right now, if I flip it over, the only thing you have right now is you have your dates, and then the normal apps you have is the maps, messages, Netflix, and YouTube. And you still have all your widgets on there that you can add. But with Good Lock, you can put any app you want on this little screen right here. And I'm going to show you how to get it. So the first thing you want to do is go into the Galaxy Store. And you download Good Lock, which is pretty simple. And when you're in there, you download it, and what you look for is when you open it up, you download Good Lock. When you have the app installed, you want to go where it says Life Up down here, and you look for MultiStore, which is, I already have it downloaded, open. Once you download MultiStore, you have this option here. You can do a few other things with it, but where it says I love my Galaxy Foldable, you want the launcher widget and the gaming widget. So if you hit launcher widget, you can pick out what apps you want on here. So say I want the clock, I can put the clock up there, Chrome. So you can put any app that you want on your screen, and then also gaming widget. You can have the gaming widget on there too. So what that does, if you go back, now if you go back into your settings, you go back to the cover display, you want to enable that widget. So I have it enabled already. So it's the launcher and then also the gaming app down here. What I did was I rearranged the windows, and I will delete the apps because I don't need two of them on there. And once you do that, so if you close it, and now you have all your apps. So if I want to just check on Twitter, I don't want to get into the app, I can check on Twitter really quick, see if I have any notifications. I can really just look at it. You can watch, I mean, you still have the chance of YouTube on here. You have your clock, your Chrome, Instagram is on there too. Let's see. I'm not even logged into Instagram. So you have Instagram on here. So you can put any app you want. YouTube Music, Amazon Shopping. And then the games, you have games over here. And you have these games like the little cheap games. So yes, Good Lock does make you unlock some features that you don't normally have unlocked. You can even play Asphalt 9 on here. Let's try it. So here you go. You have Asphalt 9 on the cover display, and you can play it too. You can actually play it too, which is pretty cool. I mean, just like my Motorola Razr Plus, hopefully Samsung builds this into their software so you don't have to have Good Lock. And it's loud too. I feel like I'm screaming over the game. So Good Lock is definitely a way to go if you want to have more apps on your cover display and plus the games on there too. So again, a quick video here, and then you just want to go to Good Luck. You go into MultiStore, and then you download MultiStore, and then I love foldables, and you launch the launcher widget, and then there you go. You enable it, and it gives you a little bit more functionality with your cover display. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.